This is how to make amazing chicken opor from Indonesia, and we are using chicken thigh, and of course with my cooking seasoning, bumbu kuning. Let's get cooking. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Heat it up a little bit. You're gonna need onion or shallot, red onion, white onion, shallot, that's fine. Okay. You hear the sizzling, then you're ready for your red pepper. Okay. And then I have fried potatoes. If you have leftover French fries or boiled potato, you can always use that. This is fried potatoes, so I'm just gonna put my potatoes, okay? Next, lemongrass. If you don't have chopped lemongrass, you can use the stalk, like half stalk of lemongrass. And then this is a must. It's a lime leaf. Lime leaf there. Then next, Indonesian bay leaf. Take a look at this. It's not typical of American bay leaf. This is Indonesian bay leaf. Bay leaf, it's kind of bigger. The leaf is bigger, okay? There are like 3 of them. Now, you put your chicken, because you need to cook your chicken first. You can use bone chickens, or you can do a sliced chicken. We are using boneless thigh. Boneless thigh, it's very juicy, and compared to breast, I do love thigh. Basic seasoning for opor is bumbu kuning. Okay, so it's coriander, cumin, turmeric, garlic, candle nut, you name it. It's everything here. When you have a hard time to open a bottle, I'm going to give you a very easy trick how to open a bottle. So you hit in the corner, go that way. You see that? You heard that sound? It's open. So you don't need a lot of effort to open the bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna use maybe like 2 spoons. 1, 2 spoons, okay? Alright, chicken is almost cooked. Now, to give them more color, so you want that kind of yellow color, you can always put a pinch of turmeric there. And now, your coconut milk. This is coconut milk. Maybe you can do like a half cup of coconut milk if you want a more, I call that, juicy or watery or caldo. You can put 1 cup, but I'm doing a half cup of coconut milk. Half cup of coconut milk, okay? Ta-da! That's it. Beautiful. The good color. Both done. Next, if you don't want to salt, that's fine. Because here we already have just a little bit salt. But if you want to get more saltiness, you can always add any type of salt. Today, since we are cooking chicken, I'm going to use chicken base. This is organic chicken base you can find in Whole Foods. Okay, chicken base just a little bit to give that salty taste right there. Right. Cook maybe like 1 minute. Let them boiling a little bit and ready to serve. That's very simple. Less than 10 minutes, you have your opor chicken. If you want it spicy, you can always add sambal. Any type of food in Indonesia, we always have sambal. If you want to have more spicy, you can always put sambal, okay? You want to add more coconut milk, just a little bit more. Coconut milk. And I'm going to add sambal. This sambal, bueno, very good. But don't use too much sambal because this is very spicy. You can do maybe like shake it, shake it, shake it. Yeah, that's it. It's gonna be very spicy. Done your sambal, and you're over done. It's ready to serve. So you have chicken, you have potatoes, you have onion, bay leaf, lemongrass, and red pepper, and lime leaf. That's it, guys. It's ready to eat. Alright then, guys, it's the moment of the truth. We're gonna taste this amazing opor chicken from Indonesia. Alright, let's start. Dig in. Oh my gosh, take a look at that. So good. The chicken thigh is very juicy. It's not dried at all. My gosh, it's so freaking good, guys. You have to try this at home. Go to our Krakatoa Indonesian Cuisine website, buy your seasoning. Let's get cooking.